Welcome back. Today's episode, we're at the Ibis Styles, located in the Sri Damansara area of Kuala Lumpur. Right over there, you're looking at the MRT. That's a great selling point for this hotel. Having the station right next door makes things convenient to get around town. You can see we have a large loading and unloading area and makes it easy as far as getting in and out of your grab. Here's the lobby, nice size lobby, and one of the features that I like is right there. You've got the little store located downstairs. A lot of hotels are going away from that nowadays, but I like being able to pick up things downstairs without having to order and wait for it to be delivered. Let's take a look at the room. I was actually upgraded to a suite here at this location, which was a nice surprise. I've been staying with Accor. That was a nice reward for doing so. Interesting layout here. Here's a look from the couch. You can see over to the right there, we have a little computer desk area. Interesting little counter over here to the left area. You've got the fridge underneath the counter there. And behind that, you can see the restroom. But plenty of space. There's that desk. Not huge, but you're able to get a little work done there. Here's that counter, plenty of space for you to throw things up there. I definitely use that for eating. And the fridge unlocated under the counter. Here's a quick look at the bedroom. It was comfortable. You can see you have a seat off to the side. Nice sized bed. Another TV located in the bedroom portion of the hotel room. Over here in the off to the side, we have the safe. You get your slippers, of course. That's the laundry list if you need to send anything out. Like I said, interesting layout in this hotel. You have the sink space over here to the side of the actual room. They did, you can see you have the dryer off to the right, and they did hook you up with plenty of towels. That was good. I would say this room has a smaller shower as well as restroom area. A little bit tight on those quarters. Here's a quick look at the gym. Definitely not huge, but I'd say the one thing I appreciated, it wasn't really busy, so it was easy to come up here, get a little bit of workout in, and not have to worry about a ton of other guests. Seems like the big ones are always busy. But you can see you got your treadmills and free weights, bench. You also have the machine over here to the side. Let's take a look at breakfast. You can see they have some beverages here as well as your cereal selection. I usually come in here a couple of days a week to film these for you. Notice that they had the old-fashioned coffee pot. Sometimes I'll be honest, sometimes I prefer those. Here we got a little toast area along with your croissants and pastries. Take a look at some of the hot food. Rice and more rice. We're in Asia, so rice is life. That's what they say, at least. Some good potato wedges there. Of course, you have some fruit and a little salad bar set up. If you need eggs, this nice young lady, more than happy to help you out. She'll also have waffle irons right there. They'll make you a hot waffle if you'd like. And we just take a look again. Oh, more rice. Yeah, that's par for the course. I think this morning they had some noodles. Oh, yeah. Of course, some chicken sausage, more potato wedges. They change it up a little bit. There's some French toast that morning. We'll keep this review short and simple. I have several reviews coming from Kuala Lumpur, actually about 10 more, believe it or not. But we'll wrap this one up. I didn't do any crazy walks from this location. I was out filming some hikes and going around town. So not a lot of supplemental coverage in this episode. I apologize. But as far as the hotel, it was a good stay. I definitely would stay here again. And I would say it's on the economical side because it's not in the main KLCC area. So if you're looking to save a few dollars, you can jump right there on the MRT, get wherever you need to in town. Here you can see plenty of room in the dining room area. I enjoyed my stay here, no complaints.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.